Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As requested by some of my followers, we are back here with some worksheet videos. If you have seen our previous videos on worksheet, you may be aware that we have designing these worksheets according to the syllabus for grade 2, English and Maths both. In our first two videos, we have covered these two parts of the syllabus, that is counting and number pattern and comparing and ordering. And in this third part of the video, we'll be covering names of numbers, ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. What is meant by ordinal numbers and what is meant by cardinal numbers. So without wasting time, let's start with our videos. These worksheets I have designed for according to the syllabus and from simple to complex level. Okay, so the first part of worksheet is define the position. This is the ordinal number worksheet. Okay, ordinal number means place value, first place, second place, third, fourth. This is the place value. Okay, so these ordinal number worksheets I have designed here like that. The first problem is the first picture is square. Which picture is the fifth? Okay, so fifth, sixth, these are the ordinal number positions, right? So first picture is square. Kids needs to write the fifth picture. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth picture is pentagon. So they will write here pentagon. Okay, like this. The sixth sign is multiplication. Which sign is third? The third sign is equal. Like this they have to write. Write the position of each colored square. First, second, third. This is the ordinal number position we are introducing here. You can give any types of examples here. Now, the next same for the ordinal numbers only. For ordinal numbers, 7th, 2nd, 1st, they need to just, this is the first place. So where is the first? They have to match this first. That's it, nothing else. Now, the next worksheet for the ordinal number is know your month's position. For example, here I have given March. March is the third month, right? So third, they have to write like this in number as well as in word format. July, 7th, 7th, like this. 7 is cardinal number. 7th position, TH determines the position of that number. That is called as ordinal numbers. Okay, so likewise they have to write for all the months of the year. The next worksheets come numbers in words. Now in second grade they have to know the numbers from 1 to 100. Minimum 100 they should able to write the spelling of numbers from 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, right? So here the number in words worksheet I have given started with the simplest form. We will be increasing the level of complexity. Circle the correct number for each word. 15, like this they have to circle. They have to just read the word and circle the number, right? As kids are learning from home this year because of the pandemic, from last 2 years they have been learning from home. So we just tried to design the worksheets in more interesting format so that the kids don't get bored while studying. Now the same format. Now see, you can see the level of complexity has increased. 9. You have to write this in a word. That means you have to write its spelling. So I have asked here till 20, 9, 5. They need to write the spelling of the words. Now you can see how the complexity of these worksheets has increased further. Here the same. They have to write the numbers in word. Okay, 1, 2, 3. But you may have wondered how the shape of this box is different. Now read the instruction. The shape of each letter must match the shape of the box. For example, here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes are there. That means 5 letter words. Which are those? T, H, R, E, E, 7 or 8. But the way we write here H and T, H and T, we write like this. So the shape of the letter should match to the shape of the box. So here comes E, I, G, H, T. Likewise they need to write. This type of worksheets increases the concentration, logical thinking, and the main purpose of worksheet will also get solved. Now, in addition to that, what I have given, write odd and even in front of that number. For example, 8. 8 is a even number, so they need to write even in front of this number. Again, long I sound, they need to color it with pink, and short E sound, they need to color it with blue. So with the math, I am trying to cover the English part as well here. This one worksheet comprises the 3 types of worksheets. For example, even and odd, writing the numbers in letters, and coloring, English, long I, short E sound, vowels. Next, you can see the complexity level has further increased. Here the scrambling of the words to write the proper number in word. For example, I, N, and E. When we unscramble it, it becomes N, I, N, E. Right? So I have given here few numbers. They need to unscramble it and write the words. Now the same words, whatever I have given here, these same words, they need to find, they need to search in this word search bank. For example, now 9, where you can find the 9? Like this. They need to find and box it. Okay, next worksheet we'll see. This is the most favorite type of worksheet, you can say, because even adults are also interested in crossword puzzle. For example, across. 2 across is 6. So they have to write the spelling. 2 across is 6. 1 down is 8. E, I, G, H, T. Like this. They need to solve the crossword puzzle. Next, the simple part is just number to word. So here I have given the numbers. They need to convert it into words. For example, 27. Like this. 27. Accordingly, they need to write these numbers. Right? Now, second grade also introduces them with the Roman numerals. Right? So first you need to teach them Roman numerals. For that, I have just printed this Roman numerals chart, the numbers and the Roman numerals. For this worksheet, I will be asking her to look into this chart and then solve, because for the first time she will be solving this Roman numerals worksheet. So here you can see second. So this she will write like this, and 2. Both way she needs to write the number and word. This V indicates 5. So she will write number and word. Accordingly, she needs to solve the Roman numerals worksheet. According to syllabus, if you have seen which types of worksheets we have included today, numbers to words and ordinal numbers. These worksheets I have just given here as a sample worksheet. The same worksheets available on our Facebook page. So if you want the printed copy of this worksheet, you can just comment me your email ID and I'll send you PDF format of this worksheets in your email, or you can just check on our Facebook page. These all worksheets are available on our Facebook page as well. With this, we have covered the third part of syllabus from second grade, that is names of numbers. Right? So these all worksheets are very interesting. Kids will really enjoy solving this worksheet. So do try these worksheets at home. I have grouped the entire syllabus of grade 2 into A to Z modules. So the first 3 modules we have covered. In the upcoming parts, we will be covering from the D to Z module. So A, B, C, 3 modules we have covered in first 3 parts of the video. Another parts of video will cover D to Z module. So stay connected. Do subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any part of the videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in next video.